Hello kids, let's learn colors. Brown color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, black color, blue color. A for apple. A for ambulance. A for alligator. A. Green color. Letter B. Letter B. B for ball. B for butterfly. B for box. Letter B. Brown color, red color, letter C. C for candy. C for cake. C for coat. Letter C. Yellow color. Let's learn number. Number 1. Number 1. 1. Brown color. Number 2. Number 2. Black color. Number 3. Number 3. A B C. 1 2 3. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.